Well, it's been a very long time since we had a cup of tea together. And I've missed it. Where have you been? No, of course, it's me that went missing in action. My last video upload was just over a year ago. So I'm jumping on here to just reassure everybody that I'm still alive. But to say hello, and I am thinking of returning to YouTube.
Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay.
Oh, that music brings it all back. The good, the bad and the ugly. And let's face it, there was lots of ugly and bad, but also lots of good as well. Great times. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you've never watched any of my videos before, well, don't bother going back. But I spent probably at least a good 12 months, probably across 22, 23, talking about cryptocurrency for my sins. And for reasons that I don't want to go into here, but I might do one day, who knows. I stopped it. And I think just generally, it all got a bit much. It was a bitter, evil place to be at times, and not good and not always positive. Now, if you are of the old guard, I am still very much in crypto. I've got investments. I'm still very much a big supporter of the Truvio. Very excited where that's going. But I've made a decision that I am not going to talk about crypto on this channel any longer. I always said, if you did used to watch my old content, I was always quite obsessed with the idea of making some sort of income to lead to financial freedom. And of course, back then I was talking about cryptocurrencies. I'm still obsessed completely with the idea of building something to earn passive income and finding financial freedom. And I always meant this channel to be that thing, because I've been interested in this for years actually, and tried many, many different things. But it all became very preoccupied with crypto, obviously. So I've just made a decision that I might be resurrecting things, but very much focusing on other potential ways of earning money. And my current absolute love and obsession is digital marketing. I'm not going to go into it all now. This is just a little hi, I'm here, I'm back video. But probably in the coming few weeks and months, I am going to talk more broadly about trying to earn income via the internet, maybe talking about affiliate marketing, drop shipping, YouTube itself and trying to earn income on that, and lots of other things that I've tried and haven't necessarily been successful at. But I want to share, again, the good, the bad and the ugly, what's worked for me, what hasn't. But hopefully, just, I don't know, maybe help others with the experiences that I've had. But also I'm hoping that digital marketing is really going to tick the box that I need to give me that financial freedom. But more on that anon. For now, I'm just going to wish you all very well. This is a little short blast of a video. Wish you all well and hope to see you around here very soon. But for now, cheers.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.